Good evening, students. Today we are going to study about issues and challenges in international performance management. I am Dr. Maulin K. Xavier Business School, St. Xavier's University, Kolkata. When we think of performance management, we need to define what is performance management. So, performance management is nothing but evaluating the performance of the employees. And we have a performance evaluation techniques which are used to evaluate the performance of the employees so that we can know how much they are contributing to the growth of the company. So, as it is written, performance appraisal is the step where the management finds out how effective it has been at hiring and placing employees. A performance appraisal is a process of evaluating an employee's performance of a job in terms of requirements. So, having said that, we need to understand the definite way of objectives, how it is formulated, and so on and so forth. So, we can say international performance management. We assess the process of individuals performing in a systematic way, performance being measured against various job related factors as well as individual traits. Why do I say that into individual traits? Because individual emotional and mental makeups are the foundational elements which need to be studied, linking performance with personality. Third, in addition, one's potential for performance measurement. So, this is what the objectives in which we are going to study the international performance management. Then there are some problems when we study performance appraisal, performance management system, or performance evaluation. There are problems which are existing when we think of international performance management. For example, host nation biased by cultural frame of reference. I am an Indian going to Germany, and the German culture will be a cultural shock if I am not ready to open up to that culture, that cultural tradition. What seemed to be considered to be an cultural ethos and sexual taboo may not be applicable in the context of Germany. So we might work from the framework of Indian than the Western thinking. Then home country biased by distance and lack of experience working abroad. Suppose a German who comes to India, and then if he doesn't know the Indian way of understanding life, he might be utter failure. Though he or she might be very good at in organizing, arranging, and so on and so forth. If a person is not able to understand the dynamics of the Indian mind, he or she will be a failure. Then expatriate managers believe that headquarters unfairly evaluates and appreciates them. This is another element that we need to discuss further. Then come some of the challenges of international performance management. And it is important that these are some of the criterias which I have put, and we will be taking it we will take it, there are two, three of them we might take. First, the cultural adjustment, host environment, variable levels of maturity, unreliable data across the boundaries because we might receive a lot of data for processing. So it is important and it is understandable and so on and so forth. Then comes the specific criteria on which we will be evaluating. There are three. There is a trade based, that is leadership, interpersonal skills; behavior based, that is contextual goals, attempts to take into consideration factors that results from situation in which performance occurs; result based, hard goals, objectives quantifiable, can be directly measured, such as return on investment and market share and so on. This is what I, in nutshell, I wanted to say about performance management. Performance management is nothing but to evaluate how an employee performs in an organization. Thank you very much for patiently